jolly, fast fire engine. It's been a long time since I sang this song. I've got my 3 favourite fire engines out to play. I've got my little fire engine, I've got my medium-sized fire engine, and I've got my big fire engine too. And they're going to zoom around whilst we're singing this lovely little song. It's only a short song, this one, but you can play the song over and over again with your fire engines today. Let's sing Little Jolly Fast Fire Engine. Nina. Little jolly fast fire engine, he works hard.